Immunity defined as ability of host to resist infection or disease. It is a Latin word. Immunize means exempt, which means free from burden. Literally means immunity protect us from pathogen and diseases. Here two things we know: what is antigen and what is antibody. Any foreign substance enter to our body name is called as antigen. It may be bacteria, fungus, virus, like that. What is antibody? After the entry of antigen, our immune system producing some substance, that name is called as antibody. Now type of immunity: innate and acquired. What is innate immunity? It is presented at birth, acquired from our parent, name is called as innate immunity. Acquired immunity, during our lifetime we will occur, that name is called as acquired immunity. This innate immunity having four barriers: anatomical or physiological barrier, phagocytic barrier, inflammatory barrier. First one is anatomical barrier. Skin having sweat gland, salt in taste. It acts as a natural antibiotic. It is secreted protein. It will kill bacteria. Second one is our skin or deep sheeted organ, waterproof barrier also. So it will prevent the entry of pathogen. Third one is mucous membrane. Mucous membrane, where it is present: respiratory, urogenital and digestive tract. This lining protect entry of pathogens. It will trap microbes and does not allow their growth. Then ciliated epithelium, our nose have presented hair particles. It will filter that air. Then physiological barrier. First one is body temperature. Microbes does not sustain when the body temperature rises, that kill pathogenic microorganism during fever time. Fever is otherwise called as pyrexia. This one is not only symptoms. Whenever antigen antibody reaction will occur, that time our body increases the temperature. So that reason only doctor will tell, don't take immediate medicine, wait for just 2 days. Then our tears and saliva having lysosome enzyme, which prevent the entry of foreign molecules and kill bacteria. Then our stomach having acidic pH, HCl 1 or 1.5. It also kill pathogenic microorganism. Then phagocytic barrier. Phagocytic means envelopment of microorganism. First one is macrophages. It also kill microorganism. Second one is neutrophil. It circulate our body in the bloodstream. When they sense signal that an infection is there, it go fast and kill microorganism. Then organ specific cell is there. Kupffer cells located in liver, Schwann cell presented in nerve tissue, then Clara cell presented in lungs. These all the cells control infection entry into that system. Then last one is natural killer cell. It will release the perforin. This one is natural killer cell. Foreign antigen want to come here. That means that time it will created pore on the plasma membrane. Then foreign substance enter to inside. After that it will kill. Then fourth one is inflammatory barrier. Inflammatory chemicals which are secreted by inflammatory cells like mast cell. During hypersensitivity time, it will activated. It will release the histamine and prostaglandin. These two chemicals not only decrease the inflammatory sign and also have ability to kill, control that microorganism. This one is summary of immunity. Our body, all over body having sweat. So salt in nature, it will kill microorganism. Suppose microorganism want to enter through eyes, it will secrete a lysosome enzyme. Saliva also. Then mucus, it acts as a gum. It trap and kill microorganism. Then gut secreted pancreatic juice, it will kill microorganism. Our stomach having HCl. HCl also kill microorganism through food. Then Gut having E. coli, it will secreted vitamins. It also acts as a growth factor and does not allow any bacteria. Suppose microorganism want to enter through this way reproductive tract, it will secrete lactic acid. That also acidic pH, it will kill pathogenic microorganism.